Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sasha token. Now the Sasha token just got a brand new big central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange, October 5th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, full name of this token is the Bitcoin Cat. And ticker symbol is Sasha. It says Sasha CTO, which is their new Twitter here. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen. It is at, it's actually suspended. So maybe I will not put it. I'll put in the announcement. You'll be able to see the their Twitter linked there anyways. I'll put up the Mexc global listing announcement here. But their Twitter is suspended. So I just tried opening it up. Sasha CTO _. Now, CTO stands for Community Takeover, and we'll go over that in a second here. But it says here, this token was listed in the assessment zone, spot trading section, October 5th, which is today, 9 a.m. UTC time. This token just got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Sasha, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find this token listed on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. If you go to their SolScan, you can also find a rug check. We're going to go over that in a second here. So it says first mint for this token was October 4th, which is just yesterday. So that's how brand new this token is, but they already have over 10,000 holders. Very popular project. 10,029 holders so far, according to their SolScan. Now, usually there's a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global a day prior to when tokens get listed, but this token was just so popular and came out so quick, and they just went straight to being listed on Mexc Global. So there was no Kickstarter event for this project. 6 decimal places on this token. It was created on pump.fun, and you could tell because the contract address will end in pump. Now, there was a total supply starting out of 1 billion tokens. It is a deflationary token, so right now the current supply is 999,994,395 tokens. Token price is about 1.86 cents today, so almost 2 cents. Their market cap is $18,651,641. Very, very big project here. Now, if we go to their rug check, you can find it on rugcheck.xyz. It says risk analysis good. So LP locked 96.9%, so that's good to see. Now the Radium pool has 2.04% of the tokens, and the top holder only has 1.65% of the tokens. So there's no big whales or anything like that. Now, if you live in the US, or there's a couple other countries that can't use Mexc Global, you can also get this token off of Radium by funding your Trust Wallet or your Solflare or your Phantom Wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Radium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. This token today has a 24-hour trading volume of $90 million. That's how popular this token is. Right in the past 24 hours, it is up 11,353%. They've had 140,420 transactions, $743,000 in liquidity in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 96.94% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. It's actually trending number 2 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Now, if you need a Solana wallet, you could download them from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get a Chrome extension on your PC. And if you want to fund it with Sol, you can use a central exchange. There's a list of central exchange links in the description box. Now, this pool here was created 1 day, 1 hour ago on Radium. So that's how brand new this project is. Now, it says Len Sassaman, Bitcoin founder's cat. So that's what this project is named after. And then the cat's name is Sasha. So there is a tweet here from March 9th, 2011. And it says, Sasha says hello. And this is from @LenSassman on Twitter, on X. And then there is a twit pic where you can check out a picture of the cat. So that is the Bitcoin cat, and that's where the name comes from. Now, there is a quick audit here on DEX Screener, and it says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable, so that's good. On DEX Tools, there's another quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now keep in mind, those are all just quick audits, not full audits. You should always thoroughly do your own research. But yeah, this token, 24-hour trading volume of $90 million is pretty crazy. So go check out this token. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.